Cool.
So, after a week in the pool, I figured if I turned the tap on, I'd float to the top eventually. And look what's happened. I managed to get out of the pool. So, I need to go and change because it's quite cold. So whilst I'm changing, we're going to hear from Divya, who's going to play some music for us. Over to you, Divya. And now over to our house captains for this week's Merit Awards.
Hey guys, Eagle House Captain here. I unfortunately don't have my house shirt, but I suppose this is close enough. I just wanted to quickly congratulate 2 Silver Merit Award certificates to Brayton Bertha and Rebecca Deploy. Well done guys, it's a really good effort, and I hope everyone's staying nice and safe at home.
Hi guys, Falcon House Captain here, bringing to you the merits for Falcon for the week. So well done to the guys receiving their bronze award, Ali Hassan, Medea Syed, Lumba Mumba and Dia Saxena. And well done to the guys receiving their silver awards, Yaya Sise, Myrnal Shivdas and Cameron Coke Norris. Very proud of you guys, keep up the good work.
Hi guys, I'm Sean and I'm going to be giving out some merit awards today for my household. First of all, we have the bronze awards. So the people who got bronze awards were Joshua Chibesa, Mwinga Kawimbi, Amber Kokomo and Khadija Patel. Well done you guys, keep up the hard work. Then we have the silver awards, and those go to Paul Bolia, TK Maliki and Abdullah Omar. Thanks for all your efforts, it's really appreciated. And then we have a special silver award because Loretta actually just got her second silver award this year, which means she's earned over 150 merits, which is just ridiculous, and it's really impressive. So thanks for all your hard work, Loretta, and keep up the hard work. Let's get some more merits next week.
Good morning all, this is Ms. Dempsey and I have had the privilege of being asked to read out the Reader Awards for this week's assembly. And the first awards go for the star readers, and the first person to receive the award is Brayton Buerta. Then we have Simbi Gondwe, Radia Limbada, who has received 2 awards this week, Amina Lunat, Sophia Mendonca, Richard Mgoli, and Ahmed Yusuf. Next, we have our Super Reader Awards, and the first award goes to Letitia Huaraca Salcedo. The next Super Reader Award goes to Catherine Wenham, and the next to Sanu Barbanu Hania. We have our Advanced Reader Awards this week as well, and we have the first one going to Franklin Valdivia Chukwin, and the final award's going to Alicia Clayton, who needs an extra special mention because she has achieved 3 extra awards this week with her advanced reader and has now received 5 in total.
And now we're going to hear from one of our Year 7 students, Rio Pistorius, who's been doing some incredible work on the Gruffalo. Over to Rio.
But who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth poisonous warts on the end of his nose. His eyes are orange. His tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Oh, help! Oh, no! It's a Gruffalo! My favorite food, said the Gruffalo. You'll go good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in the wood. Just walk behind me and soon you'll see. Everyone is afraid of me. All right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. You go ahead, and I'll follow after.
And now our Year 9 students who've been learning about mythology.
Hello everyone, this is my experience of English at home. This term, Miss Dempsey's English class have been studying creation myths. So far I have enjoyed expanding my knowledge on creation myths and finding out what other people believe. I have also enjoyed creating posters on these myths.
Hi, so in English we've been learning about creation myths and creation stories, and last week we were on Greek mythology and this week we're on Norse mythology. So Norse mythology is actually my second favorite mythology type. First is ancient Egyptian, but anyway, this is my poster that I handed in on creation, and I put 4 different religions and cultures on the screen because they all relate and coincide with what is in the poster. So I got Brahma from Hinduism, and I got Greek mythology with Zeus, and I got a Maori symbol, and I got a cross from Christianity. So what I have here is the earth and the sea split, and then the sun coming from behind the clouds to symbolize light coming from darkness, and then there's the earth with it made out of water and plants to just represent the making of the plants, and then there's a panda representing mammals, and dolphins as well, and then there's the dove in the sky. And again, they're there because all their creation stories and myths do incorporate all these things.
And next, you may have noticed or may have heard about the International Space Station being visible. Winger in Year 9 has taken this video. You can see that little dot in the sky. That's the International Space Station. He did some fantastic research onto it. So well done, Winger, and thank you for sharing your video with us. And now we've got this results from last week's photo competition and Cynthia introducing this week's.
Hey guys, this week's photo competition is themed math, so take a picture with any shapes, patterns or numbers that you may have around the house, and have a great week.
And we've got some nice little video clips now from a couple of our science teachers who are going to be sharing some experiments they've been doing.
Studying moments at home using forks, toothpicks and a salt cellar.
To hold it underneath.
Wow. Right, hi guys. We're just quickly going to read you out the house sports results for the remote sports day, and I'd just like to say well done to all of the students who partook in that, in the run and the jump and the throw. I'd like to say a really well done to Senior College and to Year 11. You guys really stepped up to the plate. A very well done to Hawk, and Mr. Kaluba is going to hand this trophy over to Mr. Mutesi, who is our secondary Hawk house captain or house leader. So well done, give them a big clap.
Well done to all of you for winning this trophy. As you can see, we've come first in the inter-house sports competition. I'd like to thank you for all your efforts.
And that brings us to the end of this week's assembly, and I would just like to thank everybody for taking part, and also to wish a very big happy Eid to all of our Muslim community.